Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man Jesus back with another adventure. This time we're headed out west to Wyoming, the land of breathtaking landscapes and endless adventures. We're talking wide open spaces, majestic mountains, and a whole lot of wild, wild west. I'm hyped to share this one with you guys because Wyoming is one of those places that just grabs you by the soul. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 must-visit spots in this incredible state. Buckle up because we're about to embark on an epic journey through the heart of America's cowboy country. First up, we're hitting up Yellowstone National Park, the OG of national parks. This place is like stepping into another world, with geysers erupting into the sky, hot springs bubbling with otherworldly colors, and wildlife roaming free. You gotta see Old Faithful do its thing. It's like a giant water show put on by Mother Nature herself. Keep your eyes peeled for bison, elk, and maybe even a grizzly bear or two. We're talking serious adventure here, people. Hiking trails that wind through forests and mountains, rivers begging to be rafted, and campsites under a sky full of stars. Yellowstone is a must-visit for any adventurer, and trust me, the pictures don't even do it justice. You have to experience this place for yourself. Next stop, we're moseying on over to the Buffalo Bills Center of the West in Cody, Wyoming. This place is a goldmine for history buffs and anyone who's ever dreamed of being a cowboy. We're talking 5 museums under one roof, dedicated to preserving the history and legend of the American West. You'll find artifacts from Buffalo Bill's life and Wild West shows, Native American art and culture, and exhibits on firearms and Western art. You can practically smell the leather and gunpowder as you walk through the halls. It's like stepping back in time to the days of cowboys and Indians. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a live demonstration of trick roping or gun spinning. This place is the real deal, folks. Alright, dinosaur lovers, this one's for you. Get ready to journey back millions of years at the Wyoming Dinosaur Center in Thermopolis. This place is a dinosaur fanatic's dream come true. We're talking real dinosaur fossils, unearthed right here in Wyoming. You can get up close and personal with these prehistoric giants, learn about their lives and extinction, and even participate in a dig. Imagine holding a bone in your hand that's millions of years old. It's like touching history, or prehistory, I guess. And if you're really lucky, you might even find a fossil yourself. This place is not just for kids, folks. It's a fascinating and educational experience for anyone with even a passing interest in dinosaurs. Get ready for the wildest show on earth, because we're headed to Cheyenne Frontier Days. This ain't your average rodeo, folks. This is the Super Bowl of rodeo, the World Series of cowboy skills. We're talking 10 days of non-stop action, with bull riding, barrel racing, steer wrestling, and all the cowboy hats and boots you can handle. The energy is electric, the crowd is going wild, and the competition is fierce. Cheyenne Frontier Days is more than just a rodeo. It's a celebration of Western culture and heritage. There's live music, parades, food vendors, and enough cowboy gear to outfit a small army. If you're looking for a true taste of the Wild West, this is the place to be. Just be prepared for a whole lot of dust, dirt, and good old-fashioned fun. Alright, time for a little break from all the cowboys and dinosaurs. Let's cool off at Star Plunge, a water park with a twist. This place is fed by natural hot springs, so you can soak your worries away while the kids splash around. We're talking water slides, a lazy river, and even a vapor cave. And the best part? The water is warm year-round, so you can enjoy Star Plunge even in the dead of winter. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day of exploring Wyoming's wild side. Plus, who doesn't love a good water park? Now that we're relaxed and rejuvenated, let's dive into Wyoming's rich history at the Wyoming State Museum. This place is like a time capsule filled with artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of this incredible state. You'll learn about Wyoming's Native American tribes, its days as a wild frontier, and its evolution into the state it is today. And of course, no trip to the Wyoming State Museum would be complete without learning about the state's most famous resident, Buffalo Bill Cody. It's a great place to spend a few hours learning about the people, places, and events that have shaped Wyoming's unique identity. Chapter 7, Grand Teton National Park, majestic peaks and pristine waters. Prepare to be wowed, folks, because we're headed to Grand Teton National Park. This place is straight out of a postcard with towering mountains reflected in crystal clear lakes. The Teton Range is one of the most iconic mountain ranges in the world, and for good reason. These peaks are massive, jagged, and absolutely breathtaking. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a scenic drive, Grand Teton has something for everyone. Go for a swim in Jenny Lake, hike to Inspiration Point for stunning views, or just sit back and soak in the beauty of this incredible place. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Hold on to your hats, folks, because it's time for the Wyoming State Fair. This ain't your average county fair, this is a full-blown celebration of all things Wyoming. We're talking livestock shows, rodeo events, live music, carnival rides, and enough fried food to satisfy even the biggest appetite. You can watch a pig race, admire prize-winning vegetables, or take a spin on the Ferris wheel. The Wyoming State Fair is a great way to experience the heart and soul of this state, and it's fun for the whole family. So grab your cowboy hat and your appetite and get ready for a rootin' tootin' good time. Next up, we're stepping back in time at the Wyoming Territorial Prison State Historic Site. This place is not for the faint of heart, folks. This was the real deal, a maximum security prison that housed some of the Wild West's most notorious outlaws. You can walk through the cell blocks, see the solitary confinement cells, and learn about the harsh realities of life behind bars in the late 1800s. It's a sobering reminder of the darker side of Wyoming's past. But it's also a fascinating glimpse into a bygone era, and a chance to learn about the history of law and order in the Wild West. Just don't let the ghosts of outlaws past spook you too much. Last but not least, we're ending our Wyoming adventure at the National Museum of Wildlife Art. This place is a must-visit for art lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. The museum houses an incredible collection of wildlife art from around the world, from paintings and sculptures to photographs and Native American artifacts. You'll see works by some of the greatest wildlife artists of all time, and you'll be amazed by the beauty and diversity of the natural world. The National Museum of Wildlife Art is the perfect way to end your Wyoming adventure on a high note. It's a place where you can appreciate the beauty of nature, the power of art, and the spirit of the American West. There you have it, folks. The top 10 must-visit spots in Wyoming. From geysers and hot springs to rodeos and dinosaur digs, this state has something for everyone. Wyoming is a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature, history, and adventure. It's a place where the spirit of the Wild West is still alive and well. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the Cowboy State. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips.